Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free system companion software for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Tidy Window, and on the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now you will see here one .zip and one .exe file, so you can download either one of this. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish. Now you can see here on the left side tons of options. So we'll quickly go through one by one. So under the bootstrap you can see here tons of options here. So you can run detection for the respective features present or not on the respective Windows computer. So you can just click on this run detection. So we don't have any Chocolatey or Scoop installed on our respective Windows computer. And next option is the install hubs. So here you can select the various packages. So you can just click on this browse catalog and you can search for the respective files here. So you can see here tons of applications that you can install directly from here. And next is the essentials. So under the essentials you can get various options here. So I'll not make it bored by showing each and every option. So you can see here app repair helper, browser reset and cache cleanups, Windows update repair tool also available. So you can click on run to check Windows Defender repair and deep scan, print spooler recovery shoots. So you can do various tests here. Next is the processes. So you can see here non-processes. So you can refresh the list. So you can stop. So you can restart the various processes. So tons of processes being running right now on my respective computer. So from here you can directly stop, restart. Next is a path pilot. So you can see here tons of details. Next is a registry optimizer. So you can see here tons of registry options here. And next to it is a maintenance. So here you can check the various installed package detected. So you can see here. So you can find the various applications list under it, from where you can remove or force clean up the respective applications. Next to it is a deep scan. So here you can run a deep scan for checking the large files and folders present on your respective Windows computer. And next is a cleanup. So you can check for various files that you want to clean up from here. Next to it is a logs. Next is the settings. So tons of options which you can check out by yourself. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free system companion software for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.